You're not saving energy, Husna.
you know that meme. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I cannot see.
Okay. Where are your glasses? Where?
Because I was
She's gonna blindfold anyway. Why?
Among these brands, which one would you think that you like the most?
The Cara one for sure. These are Malaysian brands.
Where's the I put it. Where's the real coconut?
Where is it?
Cakap English.
Okay.
Cakap English.
Cakap English kan?
You never hear me speak Semenanjung Malay.
I tak pandai.
I personally like the refresh one.
Which
UFC
Since I've
refresh.
never tried any except the refresh one.
Coconut juice pun nice.
I've tried the real one, the real deal.
Comment down below if you think it's coconut juice or is it coconut water.
Or is it coconut milk?
Coconut milk is something else.
Coconut milk is something else.
I know
Oh,
it's
Oh, because you guys want to save turtles only and only turtles, so I'm gonna give you reusable plastic straws.
I want the blue one.
I want the purple one.
Just look at them being kids.
These are reusable plastic straw, and you can do Avada Kedavra.
PVC ya, bukan plastic.
Oh yeah, it's not plastic. Sorry.
Okay.
It's reusable. So that's.
Blind your motherfucking eyes.
I'm blinding my
Oh
eyes.
my god. God help me. Is she blind yet? After you're gonna poke your eyes. What happened to that?
I mean,
I like that idea better. Fuck, it's too dark. I'm having PTSD.
bitch.
Aduh!
You can't see, right?
No, we cannot.
How many fingers am I holding up? I know. Okay, if you do that. Oh, okay. There's a few. I'm like, I know already if you do that.
Can you see?
No, damn bitch. I'm literally even closing my
Because
eyes.
these drinks aren't cold, so I don't think they're gonna taste really bomb.
Can you? Do you
We have eyes.
eyes?
Yeah, I have
Yes,
We
we
have
want
eyes.
eyes. We want eyes.
I'm blindly open. Dia keluar kan ya? Oh, it's cold.
That's
Yeah, give me the ice.
It's hot. Boleh buka kan ya?
Huh?
Nggak boleh buka. Aduh. Cakap. Baku buka aku bukannya nampak kau.
Orang buta gitu. Okay, so
Hi.
Hi. I am Husna.
Fuck you. People know you're not who's.
Hola.
Arisa.
Soy Dora. My word was Dora to scribble, and I put Hola. Are you there?
I'm listening, bitch. I might be blind, but I'm not deaf. Where's my straw? I lost
oh my
straw.
god.
I want to sip instead of.
Fuck your sick.
Is this your-
It's not cold.
Okay, hold on.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
I know which one this is, but it's good.
It's not bad. It's good.
Where's my straw?
Can I?
Jangan kasi habis nanti kanyang.
Why are we speaking English?
I don't know. Did you? Did you?
I spit it out.
Yeah.
Give me a mouth. It's out of my nose. There's like
Where's my straw?
Cuci the straw.
Oh, I don't like the dark.
You don't like the dark?
What a weak bitch.
Yeah.
Padahal.
You know what?
I wanna sit. This one I'm gonna give it a 7.
For me, I'll give it a 7 too because it was good. It was refreshing. Oh, nggak nampak ka?
Tidak. Aku tutup mata dia lah.
Oh my god. Bismillah. Ay, bercakap.
Why doesn't it taste like coconut? Why are you messing
God.
up? It doesn't taste like coconut,
It tastes like coconut, but not really. You know, it tastes a bit sweet.
Is there any pulp in this one?
Yep.
Because I like the other one better. But this one has pulp. 6.
5.9. Next.
You get
Tastes like coconut but not coconut.
Yeah, you get it. It's like artificial.
It's like, you know how some water tastes like water? How some other water doesn't taste like water. It tastes
Yeah.
like not water. The more like, you know, the closer like we're going to the end, like, you know, I'm thinking like, when is she gonna put the santan in?
Kan
Ang kailan pa yun?
every time.
Santan ko dyan na banyak ya. Ew.
This is weird. More.
No, take it away from me, thank you. Oh, the forgetting disgusting. I'll give it a 2. Okay lah. I give it like a okay lah. Tapos just lah 2.1.
You know what? I'm giving it a 0.5 out of 10.
Fuck. I feel like out of 10. Okay lah, out of 10 lah.
I definitely give it a 0.5 out of 10.
I'll give it 2.
A 3, even though I finished it.
I'll give it a 2. I don't think it's undone. It feels light.
Yeah.
This one's good. 8. I'll give it an 8. It's good. It tastes like water.
I'll give it a 5 out of 10.
I'll give it a 5.
It's nice to do it. It's so smooth. Oh, one thing I realized, there must be from the kotakan. I feel like it has that like box taste. Because most of the ones I've tried, all of them had that like one taste. Like it tastes so similar. It's not the coconut taste.
It's the thingy taste. It's the packaging taste.
Yeah.
5
Out of 10.
out of 10.
I give it an 8. It was good.
I like the one before that. It was
What?
I know.
And then you gave it a 3.
Yeah.
You gave it a 3.
Okay. I wanted to give it a 5.
This one feels thicker.
Bismillah.
I'm scared.
Oh, okay, no.
This one tastes similar to the first
Yeah.
one.
No, it tastes similar to the.
It tastes better.
Yeah. Because this one has pulp.
Because of the pulp, that's why it tastes similar to the first one, but the first one didn't have any pulp in it, but this one has pulp in it. Which is
But it's
better.
minus.
So I would give it a
It's
7.5.
Yeah.
7.5. When I first tried this one,
I think it's.
I rated a low rating. No, I gave it a high rating. But then I feel because it's like too sweet and I'm not a sweet tooth, so I give it like.
For me, if
7.
coconut, I like coconut that's not too sweet. So this one I give a 6.
It's good. I'm taking some of this home. Apa?
You want?
Yun.
I mean coconut. Spelled coconut.
Can you just give us a tissue, a box of tissue here? Because I know the santan one is coming anytime soon and I want to split it out.
I'm scared.
I knew it! Bitch, but it's good. But it's good actually. It's not that
Oh
bad.
my god, really?
The santan one is coming anytime soon and I want to split it out. It's good.
I won't rate it. It's
I
a
actually
0.
like it. What the fuck? It's very, you know, lamaki. It tastes like lamaki. It's like it's like coconut. It's like the coconut water, but then it's like more fatty. Who's not never know?
Who's not finished mine?
No, fuck you. It tastes like coconut ice cream.
Oh yeah. It does.
Due to that, I'll give it an 8.9. It's my highest so far. A whole new world. And I thought I was gonna throw it up, but it's really good. First sip tastes like soap because of the straw. I'm questioning, it doesn't taste good, but it doesn't taste bad.
I'm gonna give it a 6 because I kinda like it.
I don't like it.
I like this kind of taste. It's like not sweet.
It's acidy. If you give it a few days outside, it's gonna gonna turn sour.
Oh yeah, it does.
It tastes acidy. It's like
It tastes a bit sour, yeah. Sweet.
4.
Give it a 4.
4 out of 10? I'm gonna give it a 2 out of 10.
A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no.
I know this one is
Is this the original one?
This one's good.
Oh. Oh, it has the apa masam?
Sour.
It has the sourness and I like it.
Can I have some more?
Yes,
Oh my god, this is so good.
It's
This
like
is the
refreshing.
most refreshing
This is what a fucking 5 ringgit fucking ass coconut, bitch. Imagine you refill the santang one, I would fucking slap you. Me chugging it.
This one is so good.
Who's not chugging for 10 minutes straight?
I give it a 9. It's good, but I give it a 9. I can give it 2. Okay, it's not perfect, but
Okay.
For me, it's perfect. I'll give it a 10.
that's what she said for the last 5
A
drinks.
10 out of 10?
No, I didn't.
I give it 8.5 out of 10.
Because that's the most refreshing out of all. I don't like being in the dark. No, I mean like not seeing anything.
This one is from the box packaging for sure. This is similar to the others, to be honest. I'll give it a
3. I don't like. No, wait. I think I know what this one is though.
Did I eat?
Tell you, it melted.
Fuck you.
Panas juga, tolong.
I'll give it a 5. It's on the borderline. It's like, it's good, no, but not good.
I'll give it a 4. Because I like the other
It's
one.
smooth.
The one before.
It's smoother than the most ones.
I think this one is the refresh one. I don't like.
This one is the OG.
Oh.
This one was the OG. I feel attacked.
Oh my god. Masih ada bekas mascara.
Oh my god, Arisa.
I am so sorry.
Where is the santan?
Okay. So the first one, what was the rating again?
I
don't know.
gave it a 7, I think.
I
or
think
a 6.
I give
It's
it
kinda
a
good.
6.
It's okay. It's okay.
No, you gave it a 5. Wait, no, that's the second one.
Whatever it is, the first one was good for me.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, the first one was this, Coco Max.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it looks good though. Coco Max.
The second one was this one.
It looks like a fucking apa macam timun. Cucumber.
Yeah,
It looks like
I know.
a cucumber.
You know sea
I think you
cucumbers?
can.
It looks like cucumbers. Sea cucumbers.
Dengan pulpa.
Dengan pulpa.
Prawn. Okay, the brand prawn is not good.
Straw.
You know what? I'm gonna try it again.
Yeah, you can try it again if you want.
This one's good.
Really?
This one I like.
This one was the bad one, I think. I gave it a 0.5. But you like the coconut milk. You like the
Is it the
santan.
same? Is it the
It's
same
brand?
It's the same brand?
It's the same brand.
Wow, they make better santan. Wait, don't you have like a carton of that?
Yeah.
Like 6 of those?
Yeah, 6 of those.
Oh my god.
The next one,
Yeah, I like this one.
yeah.
Yeah, this one is the
This is one of
yeah.
my favorite too. It's kind of sweet. So.
Like
And the
that
next is Husna's ultimate personal favorite.
No, this is Cara.
Oh!
That's Carta.
Oh shoot!
Which I was like saying.
Okay, good.
This one is used for cooking.
This one is the bad one.
Air kelapa rasa. Rasa dia, sejak rasa kami.
And the OG.
Oh my freaking.
Oh, this one is good.
Bitch.
No, don't do that. What?
It tastes so weird. It's because it's not cold.
Oh yeah,
It's not cold.
Personal favorite.
the
OG.
fresh one.
The OG.
Or OG.
But I like that one. The
I'm disappointed by like the one who had like prettiest packaging. Is the
Which one has the prettiest packaging to you?
That one. I like that. No, the next one.
This one, yeah.
It has
This one
pretty-
is pretty, but
Most of the
For me, I think
this
out of
one.
all the ones that apa,
My favorite
the
is
Coco
this
Mix.
one.
okay. So how do you feel after tasting? I don't know how many.
What's in English?
Dizzy.
I'm dizzy and sleepy.
Future video, something I'll try.
I can't. I'm not Malay, but then like I can't think. Okay, anyways, I'm dizzy, so that's it.
I'm like, I'm not Malay. And then at the same time, can she spoke Malay throughout the whole video.
No, but I don't even know what melody remix.
It was okay.
It was good.
At least now I know what's my favorite.
The OG, but the OG one doesn't taste good when it's not cold. There's a truck, everybody.
I don't think that's gonna make it in the video, but thank you Arisa for sponsoring this video with
Thank
the
you.
YouTube money.
Yeah.
If you want us to be sponsored again some more and have many more videos,
Watch it.
And one friend who cuts you off every time.
Uy, dia kuyak sebelah sana.